Welcome to the Professional Inspector. These videos are intended for home inspectors, real estate agents, and just DIY people that want to learn how to do things on their own. This particular inspection we had here was in an apartment complex, something we've never seen before. You're not going to believe it when we get to it. If you like these kind of stories, give us a like. If you like our channel, please subscribe and we can continue to give these kind of things. This is a typical apartment building. Each apartment has its own water heater, furnace, air conditioner, fuse box, etc. What they apparently don't have is some kind of maintenance crew that has any idea what in the world they're doing. If you if you believe it or not, that is the typical charcoal grill fire starter, and it's on this 15-foot number 16 or 18 extension cord. And to make things worse, this is obviously in a basement, so the receptacle that this extension cord is plugged into should be a GFCI breaker. It is absolutely amazing, some of this absolutely stupid stuff we run across. Again, if you like these, give us a like. If you want to, you can subscribe to our channel and we'll continue to give you more exciting finds as we go through.